How to set up the ordeal. Orbit rate display Earth and Lunar. This display is capable of displaying the attitude relative to the Earth or the Moon's horizon, hence orbit rate display Earth and Lunar. This is going to torque the FDAI gyro so that when you are aligned with 0 pitch, you will always see the horizon in the window. So how can we set this up? First, you're going to call verb 82, enter, proceed. And while that is calculating, you'll come over here, set ball 1 to orbit rate, and this power switch here, set it to the current orbiting body, SOI, sphere of influence. We're in Apollo 7, so we're on Earth. By now, the computer will display your 1644. In the first row, we have 168.8 and 126.7. You're simply going to take your calculator and add these two together. 168.8 plus 126.7. And now divide them by 2, and you get 147.75. Come over here to the dial and set it. 147.75. Once you're done, hit proceed on the computer. Now call verb 83, enter, and wait for this to calculate. We're also going to need the spacecraft in the 0 yaw position and also preferably 0 roll. This is called the X-sense position, and this will allow us to more accurately adjust the pitch as the scale is changed as the ball is approaching its edges. So now what we're going to want to look at is register 3, row 3, and this has our local vertical. So now we just slew to around 50 degrees. Get a good view of the switch and the FTAI, and come to 50. Here's 30, 40, and here's about 50. Now set the mode switch to slow, and this will begin the orbit rate display. Make any fine-tune adjustments. And hit proceed. Now you can set whichever ball you want. You can have them switch. You can set both balls to display your orbit rate. You can set both to inertial, and the orbit rate display will keep calculating in the background, so when you need it again, you can simply pull it up on a ball. If I have the ordeal set, and I'm using it for navigation, I will have it on the primary ball. If I have it set and I'm not using it for navigation at that time, I will have it on the secondary ball, just because the orbit rate is always some good information to have. If it's set, you might as well use it. Thank you for watching.